Electra Extra Bass Stereo headphones versus Electra Stereo headphone vortex. This one is excellent sounding, and this one is more excellent sounding quality. When you put in high volume, it's really high pitch. When you put this in high volume, it sounds really chippy, you know. You know what I mean? This one's made with nice foam, and this one's made of plastic, as you know. This is like with foam, and it's adjustable. Even this one too, adjustable too. This one is, which one I like the most? That one or that one? I like this one. Vortex is way better than Extra Bass.